This will be your spacious living plus dining area. This is your kitchen area. You can have a look at the kitchen. This is your master bedroom. So you can have it. Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Kalyani Living Tree, which is located right here in Bagalore Aerospace Park, North Bangalore, and the project is developed by Kalyani Developers. Today we are here to check out their actual flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So right now I'm standing in front of the marketing office. This is the marketing office of the project, and now the land parcel is whole over here in 25 acres. And now let me introduce you all with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, ultimately which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is developed in total 25 acres of land parcel, constructed with 10 towers, with each tower of 2 basement ground plus 24 floors, with 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 and 3 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and the project provides you world-class amenities like here's the cricket ground, badminton court, football ground, multi-purpose court, clubhouse 1. So basically there are 2 clubhouses with all the indoor amenities, and there is maximum of open space in the project plus many more amenities. Now about the location part, and the project is located near to New Airport Road in KIADB Aerospace Park in Bagalore, North Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road will connect you towards New Airport Road in just 200 meters. So you can connect to Bagalore Road in 700 meters from the project. Vikrant Hospital is 800 meters away. St. Fran's School is 1 kilometer from the location of the project. And now the wait is over. So this is your 2.5 BHK west facing actual flat at this project. So let's have a look at this beautiful actual flat. So once you enter from your main door, this will be your spacious living plus dining area. So you can have a look at the space that the builder is providing you right here. So here's a window that opens towards your balcony, and here's the access for the balcony. And this is the balcony area with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring and iron railing. Now you can set your dining area right over here, and your kitchen area will be over here. So this is your kitchen area. You can have a look at the kitchen with the parallel fitting platform, a sink, and which has a connecting utility area as well with anti-skid flooring and a provision for machine. Now moving further towards your bedroom area. So your master bedroom is exactly in front, and 2 bedrooms, that is 0.5 room, and your bedroom number 1 is over here. We'll be moving further towards your 0.5 room, and this is the space which you can use in a multi-purpose way. It has a balcony as well. And over here, this side is your common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now, about your bedroom number 2. So this is your bedroom number 2, which has ample of space over here. You can set your wardrobe right here. This is your balcony, your standing balcony. It means your Juliet balcony with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. Now about your master bedroom, but before moving towards your master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with its sample and actual flat videos, with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features under Housey.com, so what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So for that you have to walk through your living and the dining area, and this is your master bedroom. So you can have a look at the ample of light that comes through your window. And here's the space basically where you can add up your wardrobe, your bed, and this is a huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose inside the room. And this bedroom has its attached washroom as well with indiscret flooring, CP sanitary fittings. So as you all know, we are here in Aerospace Park. Have you checked another project in Aerospace Park? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And even if you're looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.